Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Thermaltake H570 TG ARGB, a mid-tower case that aims to strike a balance between aesthetics, airflow, and affordability. Right out of the box, the H570 TG ARGB makes a statement with its mesh front panel. This isn't just for looks. It's designed to maximize airflow, which is crucial for keeping your components cool during intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. Thermaltake includes 3 pre-installed 120mm ARGB light fans at the front. These fans not only provide ample airflow, but also add a vibrant splash of color to your build. The ARGB lighting can be synchronized with motherboard software, allowing for seamless customization and coordination with other ARGB components in your system. This makes it easy to create a visually stunning and cohesive build. The case features a built-in PSU cover, which helps to hide cables and create a cleaner, more organized interior. This is a welcome addition, as cable management can often be a challenge in mid-tower cases. The PSU cover not only improves aesthetics, but also helps to direct airflow more efficiently. One of the standout features of the H570 TG ARGB is its hinged tempered glass side panel. This makes accessing the interior of the case incredibly easy. The hinge design allows you to simply swing the panel open, rather than having to remove screws and slide it off. This is especially convenient for making quick adjustments or upgrades to your system. The H570 TG ARGB supports extended ATX motherboards, providing plenty of room for high-end components and expansion. The case is well suited for both gaming and business applications, offering a versatile platform for a wide range of builds. The black color scheme gives the case a sleek and understated look that will fit well in any environment. The Thermaltake H570 TG ARGB is a well-rounded mid-tower case that offers a great combination of features and performance. The mesh front panel and pre-installed ARGB fans provide excellent airflow and aesthetics, while the hinge tempered glass panel and PSU cover add convenience and improve cable management. If you're looking for a budget-friendly case that doesn't compromise on quality or features, the H570 TG ARGB is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.